Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Pour in a cup of cream. Add 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything until the batter turns silky and smooth. Liking this video would be appreciated. It's a great way to show your support. Fill a pot with water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Drizzle of olive oil. Bring to a boil. Drop in about 8 ounces of pasta. Cook the pasta until al dente. In a pan, heat a splash of olive oil. Finely chop 1 onion. Onions not only add flavor, but also help boost your immune system. Toss it in. Stir until golden. Friends, it's wonderful to know where you're watching from. Grate 1 carrot, bright and full of beta-carotene for healthy eyes, and add it next. Feel free to ask any questions about the recipe in the comments. Then grate 2 cloves of garlic on a mini grater. Stir them in. Chop 1 chicken breast into small pieces. Chicken is such a wonderful source of lean protein. Add it to the pan. Finely slice 7 mushrooms. Mushrooms are full of minerals and antioxidants. Add the mushrooms to the pan. Finely chop 1 bell pepper. Its bright color and crisp sweetness always bring a little cheer to the cutting board. Add the chopped pepper to the pan. Dice 1 ripe tomato. Add the tomato to the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Stir gently. Check the pasta. Mix the vegetables 1 more time. Pour the pasta into a large bowl. Add the chicken and vegetables. Mix it all together. Grate 2 ounces of Parmesan cheese. Add it to the bowl. Stir everything together. Divide the pasta with chicken and vegetables among 3 small round baking dishes. Pour the creamy egg and flour mixture evenly over the top. Grate a bit more cheese. Sprinkle it generously over the top. Bake for 30 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Take the casseroles out of the oven. It's wholesome, satisfying, and made with love. Exactly what family food should be. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking!